can see, we are out here in the snow here in Glassboro, and we would like to say that, as you have heard online, it is really terrible. It's better for you to stay indoors today and be safe, as it's a very good Sunday to be indoors. And what Cheryl gave, the governor of New Jersey, was that she has given a state of emergency so that we'll all stay home for today and tomorrow as well. We are out here. We have Lord Inketia from Glassboro, Rowan, and we'd like to ask, so what do you think of the snow today?
Really bad, and it's kind of like super windy. You cannot stand outside without putting on these kind of things, and I really do not know when it's gonna stop. I'm looking forward to that too, and I'm kind of happy that tomorrow there will be no class, but you know, going to school would have been very good.
Yeah, and some people want to know, is it possible to drive out here, just as Cheryl said? Is it going to be possible to drive out here today?
Yes, it is possible. As you can see over there, we got one car coming this way. It is, however, you have to be so steady as you move on the snow, else you can slip and then drift away. Yeah.
Okay. What do you think about moving out tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning, I really did not look forward to moving out, but we can try moving out, and I hope it will not be so bad like this one.
Okay, thank you very much, Lord.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so guys, as you can see, the plowing is going on, but it seems the more they plow, the more the snow sticks to the ground. And according to sources, there is more snow and ice under what you see here, which could make it even more difficult to find enough friction to move around town. Thank you very much for joining us. This is Ice Cream and Pen News.